in the game, cause see the boxing voice.
Hey fight fans, today we're talking about ThrowDownFantasy.com's Canelo Cotto contest. It's being offered in a variety of ways right now. You can play for free like always. You can play for as much as $2 and as much as $50 depending on your budget. I want to focus on the actual fight itself. Cotto Canelo. Cotto's coming in at 4,600. Canelo's coming in at 5,100. Cotto's averaging 56.8 fantasy points, and Canelo's averaging 79.3 fantasy points. Look, my advice here: don't pick Cotto. I'm not saying that he can't win. He's absolutely a live dog in this fight. It's just I can't see him winning in any kind of way that would I guess, produce an abundance of fantasy points. I don't think he's going to get the knockout. I don't think he'll find a stoppage anywhere in the fight. And the amount of points that it would take, or the amount of punches that it would take for him to be a successful pick, it's not there. Canelo's the bigger fighter. I think Cotto's going to have to be crafty in the fight if he's going to win at all, and that just isn't going to help. And the reason why I'd say stay away from him also is because there's so much value out there. Takashi Amira is 4,700 right now. That's only 1,000 more than Cotto, and he has a lot more upside, and he's averaging 83 fantasy points. And then you have both Udell Johnson and Daquan Arnett, who are facing off against each other at 4,600. So, you even have James DeGale, who's, in my opinion, a wide favorite in his fight with Lucian Butte. He's coming in at 4,700. And all of these guys, I think, have a better chance of getting the win and getting more points. So my suggestion, stay away from Cotto.